KINGMETAL Precision Industrial Co., Limited, your complete metal and plastic solutions partner, family-owned, expert craftsmanship, global reach. KINGMETAL, a family-owned powerhouse across the Greater Bay Area. We deliver precision metal and plastic components through integrated, expert manufacturing. Our die casting division operates 30 cold chamber machines from 160 to 3,500 tons, producing high-precision aluminum and zinc alloy parts. Dedicated melting furnaces guarantee alloy consistency. Automated blasting, trimming, and punching ensure flawless surfaces and dimensional accuracy. Our mold shop delivers precision tools in just 2 to 5 weeks. For CNC machining centers, rapidly carve cavities, 6 medium-speed wire EDM machines and dedicated milling, grinding equipment achieve complex features and fine finishes. KINGMETAL CNC, over 30 machining centers and 15 lathes handle aluminum, zinc, copper, and steel. From rapid prototypes to high-volume production, our 5-axis and 3-axis systems guarantee tolerances within plus or minus 0.01 millimeters. Supports machining parts with lengths ranging from 540 to 2000 millimeters. Every cut, edge, and surface is optimized for strength, speed, and quality. ISO 9001 and IAFD 16940-9 certified for global trust. Our sheet metal division delivers complex parts with speed and precision. For units 3000 to 12,000 watt laser cutting ensures minimal waste and clean edges. 8 CNC press brakes guarantee flawless bends and height tolerances. 25 to 630 ton high tonnage stamping presses enable rapid, repeatable forming. Expert welding completes the process. Our injection molding facility features 12 presses from 25 to 650 tons. Produce parts up to 1.5 meters in length, producing high-precision plastic components, fixtures, and overmolded assemblies. Our extrusion line precisely processes custom aluminum profiles up to 550 mm section. From heat sinks and enclosures to architectural frames, we handle standard and complex geometries. Every profile is extruded, straightened, cut, and undergoes rigorous in-house quality control. Enhanced durability and aesthetics with our dedicated surface finishing, featuring to anodizing lines and to powder coating lines, support surface treatment of profiles up to 6 meters in length. Every component undergoes stringent inspection from raw material to final shipment. We utilize precision tools, CMEs, compression testers, salt spray chambers, projectors, and hardness testers, ensuring accuracy down to plus or minus 0.001 millimeter. Our ISO 9001 and IATF 16949 certifications are your guarantee of quality. Precision engineered, reliably delivered. See KINGMETAL in action across industries. Experience the KINGMETAL advantage. We welcome you to KINGMETAL Precision Industrial Co., Limited, for a first-hand look at our capabilities.